Hi everyone, welcome to Digi ToolTalk. Today we're diving into a really exciting niche, wall art empire, that can help you make money online without any big investment. Let's get started. Wall Art Empire is a straightforward online business that lets you create and sell wall art. You don't need any fancy skills, stock, or shipping, just your computer and a bit of creativity. This niche is booming right now, with lots of buyers looking for wall art. Best of all, you can start with no money at all, making it perfect for anyone wanting to earn extra cash on the side or build a full business. In this course, you'll learn how to find free images, resell them for profit, and sell on the best marketplaces. Plus, we'll teach you how to spot hot-selling items and even create your own wall art easily. One key step is finding images that are free to use, like public domain images. We'll show you where to find these, how to edit them, and how to resell them for a profit. It's easier than you think. Your listing's success depends heavily on visuals and wording. We'll teach you how to use simple templates, write persuasive descriptions, and showcase your art so buyers can't resist clicking. Selling on marketplaces like eBay and Etsy is a great way to reach a large audience. We'll guide you on how to set up your shop, list your products, and get discovered fast. Want to create your own designs? You can use easy tools like Word, GIMP, or Canva. We'll show you how to craft beautiful quotes and posters even if you're a beginner. Quote posters and inspirational sayings are big sellers. We'll teach you how to find trending quotes, design eye-catching posters, and sell them for profit on various sites. Using templates is a quick way to make attractive wall art. We'll show you where to get inexpensive templates and how to customize them for maximum visual impact. When selling, your listing's words and images matter. We'll teach you how to craft descriptions that sell, include keywords, and make your art irresistible to buyers. No need to handle products yourself. We'll show you how to partner with print-on-demand services that print and ship your art directly to customers so you can focus on selling. To sum up, this business is simple, affordable, and scalable. Start with free images, make your designs, list them online, and grow from there. For more tips, deals, and updates, visit Digi ToolTalk.